ugly political name calling takes center stage over Mahakumbh. Opposition up in arms corners the Yogi Adityanath Sarkar. Mamata Banerjee terms Mahakumbh as Mrityu Kumbh.
মহাকুম্ভ আমি নাইবা বললাম, ওটা এখন মৃত্যু কুম্ভ হয়ে গেছে।
Akhilesh Yadav's mismanagement claim sparks off another controversy.
और जो दुर्दशा हुई है, जो व्यवस्था खराब हुई है, क्या हम किसी भी धार्मिक कार्यक्रम में मुनाफे की सोच सकते हैं?
BJP hits back with the opposition hostile to Hindus charge.
Mamata Banerjee, same. Mamata Banerjee, hosh mein aao.
Political showdown over Mahakumbh escalates, and that's our top focus on India First. For the believers of Sanatan Dharma, the Mahakumbh at Prayagraj is being hailed as Amrit Kumbh. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has stirred a hornet's nest. She's called it Mrityu Kumbh after the stampede, not just at the New Delhi railway station, and reports of bodies being sent back from the Prayagraj stampede during the Mauni Amavasya without a post-mortem. But Mamata Banerjee isn't the only leader from the opposition in the eye of a storm. From Lalu Yadav, who called it Faltu, to Akhilesh Yadav, to Mallikarjun Kharge, the opposition has trained its guns on the Yogi Adityanath government's mismanagement, as they put it, to the BJP hitting back, saying, target the mismanagement if you so wish, but why call the Amrit Snan or the Mahakumbh Mrityu Kumbh? They claim, the BJP claims it's minority appeasement. We get you all sides of the story. I'm Gaurav Sawant. As always, India and Qatar have put Pakistan state-sponsored radical Islamist terror on notice. India and Qatar have condemned terror in all its forms and manifestations, including cross-border terrorism. India uses the word cross-border terrorism in context of Pakistan state-sponsored radical Islamist terror. India and Qatar are to cooperate on combating the menace of cross-border terrorism through bilateral and multilateral mechanisms. The joint statement after the meeting between the Emir of Qatar, His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi includes conversation on enhanced cooperation, on infiltration and on intelligence sharing. India and Qatar are to cooperate in law enforcement, on drug trafficking, on cyber crimes and transnational crimes. The two countries will work to prevent the use of cyberspace for terrorism, radicalization and disturbing social harmony. There are also major agreements and MOUs on energy, tourism and on investment. Let's listen in to Arun Kumar, Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs, on the outcomes.
India and Qatar share a very vibrant partnership in the area of energy. Qatar is a major source of LNG for India. Both leaders today noted that in February 2024, Qatar Energy and Petronet LNG Limited had signed an agreement for supply of 7.5 million metric tons per annum of LNG from Qatar to India for 20 years starting 2028. Both leaders also discussed ways to further strengthen and broaden the energy partnership, including exploring mutual investments. 2 agreements and 5 memorandums of understanding have been signed during the state visit of His Highness the Amir.
And to our top story, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has stirred a hornet's nest, calling the Mahakumbh at Prayagraj Mrityu Kumbh after the stampede at the New Delhi railway station, and when bodies of devotees killed in the Prayagraj stampede were sent back, according to the Chief Minister of Bengal, without a post-mortem to Bengal. But she's not the only one. From Lalu Yadav, who called the Mahakumbh Faltu, to Akhilesh Yadav, who's repeatedly highlighted the mismanagement, to Mallikarjun Kharge, the attacks have been relentless. The BJP has hit back with minority appeasement politics of the opposition charge. Listen in.
মহাকুম্ভ আমি নাইবা বললাম, ওটা এখন মৃত্যু কুম্ভ হয়ে গেছে।
दुर्दशा हुई है, जो व्यवस्था खराब हुई है, क्या हम किसी भी धार्मिक कार्यक्रम में मुनाफे की सोच सकते हैं?
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है, फालतू है कुंभ।
The Mahakumbh, a revered spiritual event in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj, has turned into a political battleground as leaders across party lines voice their opinions at the mismanagement. Opposition parties have launched fierce attacks on the centre and the Uttar Pradesh government, accusing them of mismanagement and of fostering a VVIP culture at the Mahakumbh. West Bengal's Mamta Banerjee dubbed the event as Mrityu Kumbh, following the tragic stampede that claimed lives on January 29th.
মহাকুম্ভ আমি নাইবা বললাম, ওটা এখন মৃত্যু কুম্ভ হয়ে গেছে। কিন্তু প্ল্যানিং না করে এত হাইপ তুলে এত লোকের মৃত্যু বললেন 30 জন, কথাটা কি সঠিক? কত ডেড বডি ভাসিয়ে দিয়েছেন নদীতে?
BJP was quick to fire back, accusing Banerjee of disdain and hostility towards Hindus.
ये हिंदू के ऊपर आघात, महाकुंभ के ऊपर आघात, अखाड़ा से संत समाज आवाज उठाइए। आप सच्चा हिंदू है तो राजनीति से ऊपर उठ के ममता बनर्जी का इस अपशब्दों की जोरदार विरोध करें।
Samajwadi Party Akhilesh Yadav has been relentless in his criticism, urging the Yogi Adityanath-led UP government to extend the Kumbh dates if they can't manage the overwhelming crowds.
तो बड़े पैमाने पे व्यवस्थाएं खराब हैं वहाँ पर। दुख इस बात का है कि मुख्यमंत्री जी ने ये कहा कि हम 100 करोड़ लोगों का इंतजाम कर रहे हैं। भगदड़ मची, लोगों की जान गई, किसकी जान गई अभी तक सूची नहीं आई, कितनों की जान गई ये सूची नहीं आई। इसलिए हमारी मांग है, एक तो कुंभ के स्नान का समय बढ़ाया जाए।
सनातन धर्म के खिलाफ सपारी लेकर के षड्यंत्र करने वाले तत्वों के द्वारा लगातार शरारत पे शरारत करते हुए झूठ के और असत्य के नित नए प्रतिमान भी गढ़े जा रहे हैं।
Adding fuel to the fire, RJD's Lalu Prasad Yadav dismissed Mahakumbh as useless, questioning the government's priorities.
क्या मांग करेंगे कुंभ में सर? जिस तरह से भीड़ बढ़ रही है,
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है, फालतू है कुंभ।
Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge too weighed in, accusing BJP leaders of competing to take dips in the Ganga, while the country's poor continue to suffer in silence.
अरे भाई, गंगा में डुबकी लेने से गरीबी दूर होती क्या? अरे जब बच्चा भूखा मर रहा है, बच्चा स्कूल में नहीं जा रहा है, मजदूरों को मजदूरी नहीं मिल रही है, जब ये है तो ये लोग जाकर हजारों रुपए खर्च करके कंपटीशन पे डुबकियां मार रहे हैं।
As the political stakes rise, the Mahakumbh's sacred waters are now deeply entangled in political currents. Bureau Report, India Today.
So Mahakumbh or Mrityu Kumbh, Amrit Snan by over 50 crore devotees, or is it faltu or worthless as Lalu Prasad Yadav claims? Is the opposition actually taking on the mismanagement, or is there merit in the BJP saying that it's an excuse for Muslim appeasement politics? Joining me on India First is Tausif Ahmed Khan. He's an advocate and a political analyst. Will give us the Trinamool Congress perspective. Charu Pragya represents the Bharatiya Janata Party, is the national spokesperson of the BJP. Dr. Avdish Puri Maharaj is the Pitadishwar of the Swastik Peeth at Ujjain. And he'll tell us about how the Sanatan Dharma followers are viewing this politics around this. And I want to begin by asking Dr. Avdish Anand Puri Maharaj ji. Maharaj ji, Mahakumbh या मृत्यु कुंभ, ममता बनर्जी के इस बयान को आप किस रूप में देख रहे हैं, जो शब्द उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किए?
मैं जहां तक समझता हूं कि ममता बनर्जी बिल्कुल पागल जैसे बयान दे रही हैं। कोई पागल महिला भी शायद इस प्रकार से नहीं बोलेगी। ममता बनर्जी के इस बयान ने न केवल महाकुंभ का अपमान किया है, बल्कि मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि उनके इस बयान ने पूरे सनातन धर्म का अपमान किया है। और
नहीं, वो एक सम्मानित मुख्यमंत्री है। निजी
निजी
आक्षेप मेरा आपसे निवेदन ये रहेगा महाराज जी, निजी आक्षेप के बिना आपका मत इस पर क्या है? ममता बनर्जी एक सम्मानित मुख्यमंत्री हैं एक राज्य की, लेकिन उनके इस बयान को किस रूप में देख रहे हैं आप?
अगर एक सम्मानित व्यक्ति इस प्रकार से करोड़ों लोगों की भावनाओं के साथ जब खेलता है, उनकी भावनाओं को आहत करता है, धर्म का अपमान करता है, सनातन का अपमान करता है, तो फिर उसका सम्मान लोगों के हृदय में नहीं रह सकता। सम्मान व्यक्ति को लोगों के हृदय में उनकी जो भावना है उनका भी तो सम्मान करना चाहिए। जब आप महाकुंभ को मृत्यु कुंभ कहेंगे, क्या उन्होंने स्वप्न में भी सोचा था कि एक पॉइंट पर, एक स्थान पर ऑन द स्पॉट 50 करोड़ लोग स्नान कर सकते हैं? कभी नहीं सोचा होगा। क्या इतना बड़ा क्राउड मैनेजमेंट ममता बनर्जी ने कभी किया? कभी स्वप्न में भी देखा, सोचा? अगर नहीं तो इतने बड़े क्राउड मैनेजमेंट की उनको प्रशंसा करनी चाहिए, न किस प्रकार से आरोप और प्रत्यारोप लगाने चाहिए, अपमान करना चाहिए।
नुकसान हुआ है, जानमाल का नुकसान हुआ है, उसकी भी तो अनदेखी नहीं की जा सकती। जो प्रशासन की कमियां रही हैं, अगर उन्हें उजागर किया जा रहा है। लेकिन रहिए मेरे साथ एक मिनट के लिए। तौसीफ अहमद खान, Mamata Banerjee is a very seasoned political leader, calling the Mahakumbh Mrityu Kumbh. Is that a very well thought out move? With what aim in mind, sir, in your appreciation?
No, it was government's responsibility to properly organize the event. And because of this, their mismanagement, there are deaths happening. It is a fact. No one can deny it today. I heard someone saying that the sacred water of Mahakumbh is deeply entangled in political battle. No, the sacred water of Mahakumbh is deeply entangled in fecal bacteria in human and animal excreta. That's the Pollution Control Board report. That's the Green Tribunal Board report. So it is obvious that a chief minister of West Bengal, who has seen that the people from the state, their dead body returning from Mahakumbh, will question the Uttar Pradesh government. What arrangements did they make? Why are people dying because of this mismanagement of the state government of Uttar Pradesh? The state government should not be so sensitive. They should be able to take this in a constructive way. The criticism by the Mamata Banerjee government or Mamata Banerjee as a chief minister should be taken by Yogi Adityanath in a constructive manner and improve the facilities. There are separate facilities for rich. They pay 1 lakh rupees, they get tent, they get special entry, they get special access to for the snan. Whereas the other, the mass population, they had to wait for 15 hours. Okay. The dead bodies are not being performed post-mortem. In a constructive way, the state government of Uttar Pradesh must take this criticism from all the opposition leaders and do better job. Mahakumbh was expected that a lot of people will turn up for this event. It is considered
give me a moment. Let me bring Charu Pragya into this conversation. Charu Pragya, it is a fact devotees lost their lives at Prayagraj. Devotees lost their lives at the New Delhi railway station. The opposition says take this criticism where lives have been lost in the correct perspective. Why is BJP so upset if the combined opposition is exposing the mismanagement?
Gaurav, good evening. My issue with all these topics of discussion is that don't you think the opposition is being terribly selective in their attacks? This is a form of vulture politics and nothing else. The queen of blood politics is talking about the Mahakumbh in such unfavorable terms that I feel ashamed to say that she's a leader in my country. It is that bad. Let's understand one thing. Every time an untoward accident happens, and I'm talking about this in a non-political context, in any part of the world, can any government do to stop it? Please be honest about this. The worst stampedes in history have happened at Hajj in Saudi Arabia. Tausif, do you have the courage to speak about those and give those numbers out? Yes, something terrible happened, and yes, the government has taken full onus and responsibility. But for you, this is not about attacking the government. It has come right down to a point where I feel our very dharma, our astha, our religion is being attacked time and time again. वरना आपको फालतू बोलने की क्या जरूरत थी? आपको मृत्यु कुंभ बोलने की क्या जरूरत थी? Your criticism is not pointed at the government. Your criticism is not pointed at my political party that you can disagree with. Your criticism, fair and square, is pointed at my religion. It's pointed at
Yes,
the kumbh.
this is
And
your
if you do
political
not
game.
understand, excuse me.
This is
Why
the
would you
political
think-
game.
One by
The
one.
criticism-
Tausif, I
Sir,
did
when
not
you were
interrupt you.
speaking, I
You
did not,
listen to this.
I did not
When you say
interrupt.
Mrityu
Neither did
Kumbh,
she,
you are not talking
nor
about
did
the Bharatiya
Maharaji.
Janata Party.
Let her finish. I'm coming to you after this.
See, when
One
you
by
say
one.
Mrityu Kumbh, are you talking about the Bharatiya Janata Party? Of course you are not. Of course you are not. You're only talking about Dharma as it is. Otherwise, why would you not even get down to understanding the fact that out of India's 140 crore population, approximately 50 crore people have already visited that. 50 crore
Okay.
is a massive number. It's a number which you can't even comprehend at a point like this. And coming
Let
from
me
a
bring in
supporter of
Tausif
a
Ahmed Khan
political
to respond.
party where
Charu
every
Pragya,
single
ma'am, you've
incident
made
is
your
marked
point.
by blood, where
Gaurav-
women are treated as
Ma'am,
the
you've made your
spoils
point.
of war.
Ma'am, you've
They're
made your
not
point. Let's take
bleeding.
this one by one. Let's take this one by one. You've raised certain points. Let Tausif Ahmed Khan respond. Sir, Charu Pragya points out hundreds of lives have been lost during stampedes that have taken place not 1 year, but over several Hajj pilgrimage. Not
No,
in
no, I can,
hundreds,
uh,
but
no,
in
Gaurav,
thousands. People have died. Devotees have died.
Gaurav, can I just add? Gaurav, no,
Gaurav,
Tausif, one
today,
second,
no,
please.
Charu,
No,
Charu,
but I
please,
want to
one
understand.
second.
Will
Gaurav,
any
Gaurav,
political
Gaurav,
leader
I
in
just
India
want to give a
call that
clarification.
Charu,
faltu
please.
or mrityu?
Chadu, please let me answer this.
Tausif,
Now, Gaurav,
allow me to
Gaurav,
finish.
no,
I'm
no,
only
please do
asking
not
for
do
10
not interrupt,
seconds.
Chadu.
I'm not interrupting.
One by
I'm
one.
asking you
Ma'am,
to allow me to
ma'am,
finish.
let him respond to the point you've raised. I'm coming back to you immediately
It's
after
not
this.
about
Gaurav,
the religion,
Gaurav, you
Gaurav.
see-
It is
you
about
see the
any
Okay.
criticism
gathering
where
of
it
a
is
large
coming
number
from.
of people
Gaurav,
attending a
you see-
football
Okay.
stadium.
Chadu, please,
Okay.
you speak at your time.
Okay,
Chadu, please, you
okay.
speak at your time.
Respond.
Gaurav,
Yes.
Gaurav, you see the criticism. Where is the criticism coming from? People from the residents of Bengal who had gone to Kumbh, their families, they're crying, their dead bodies coming from there. Some of them, they had to wait long for their dead bodies. What is the arrangement that the Uttar Pradesh government has done? It's the chief minister asking another chief minister, her counterpart, because she knows it is the responsibility of the state government, it is the responsibility of the government which is organizing this event of this scale, that they must provide water which is suitable for bathing according to the law. There is a pollution control board saying that there is a high level of fecal bacteria coming from the human and animal excreta running in the water where people are taking dip. It is before us that tents were caught fire, that there were stampede and deaths occurring because of the fire, because of the stampede, because of the mismanagement and ill management and ill organization of the government. Therefore, Mamata Banerjee has all the right. Why you did not perform the post-mortem of the dead bodies belonging to West Bengal?
Fair enough. Sir, this is the second time you've made all these points, but I take that. The question that was put to you was, would any political leader in the opposition, when sadly devotees lose their lives in Hajj, compare that to mrityu or faltu, was the question that was put to you. However, now Charu Pragya wants to respond to you. Go ahead, ma'am, respond.
No, Saudi Arabia is not collecting tax from Indian citizens. We are
1
taxpayer
minute.
to the Indian government.
Okay, I'm going to talk about India now. Tausif,
Okay.
I'm going to talk strictly about India now. Just last year, end of last year, there was a stampede in Tamil Nadu during a sari distribution. Nothing to do with religion, just a large number of people. There have been stampedes inside nightclubs, inside football stadiums after fireworks shows. So please, let's understand that an accident is not by planning. An accident can happen, but how is it that you deal with it? Aren't you understanding that this government is mourning every single life lost far more than you are? And all you can do at a time like this is be a political vulture? Let's also understand in 2013, when the Kumbh happened at Prayagraj, who was in charge? Who was put in charge by your own sister party, by your own India Alliance partner? It was Azam Khan. Out of that massive majority that Samajwadi Party won, you couldn't even find one Hindu to lead lead the Kumbh, that is the importance that it holds for you. Or rather the lack of it. That is what you did. And mismanagement happened then, right? There were 45 devotees who lost their lives because of mismanagement. Because of a VIP came and you could do nothing afterwards. But you will have
I
nothing
want to
say
bring in
about that.
Avdesh Puri ji Maharaj once again into this conversation. आपने ममता बनर्जी की बात सुनी, लेकिन अब लालू यादव की बात करते हैं। आरजेडी के बड़े नेता है, पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री, बिहार के पूर्व रेलवे मंत्री। जब वो महाकुंभ को फालतू बोलते हैं या इस तरह की शब्दावली का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, आप उसे किस तरह से देखते हैं कि अगर 50 करोड़ की जनता के धार्मिक सनातन धर्म को मानने वाले इकट्ठा होते हैं एक जगह पर, बोलते हैं क्या कुंभ फालतू है?
मुझे घोर आश्चर्य इस बात का होता है कि ये लोग इस हिंदुस्तान में जन्म लिए हैं, इस हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति करते हैं, हिंदुस्तान के लोगों के ये लोग वोट लेते हैं, जहां 80%
जी ठीक। मैं एक बार फिर आपसे संपर्क साधने का प्रयास करूंगा, बट तौसीफ खान, कैन एनी पॉलिटिकल लीडर यूज वर्ड्स लाइक फालतू फॉर कुंभ or congregation, let's say for example, of any other religion? Now wear your lawyer's hat, wear an analyst's hat, and tell me how you view what Lalu Yadav said about the Mahakumbh.
Gaurav, what Lalu Yadav has said has been taken out of proportion. Many of the spokesperson was on TV debates, and they have clarified that the attack, the term faltu, refers to the arrangement made by the Uttar Pradesh government. Obviously,
why don't you listen to Lalu Yadav? No, listen to Lalu Yadav. Listen to what Lalu Yadav said. Listen to the question that was put and his answer first. I'll come back to you. Listen in.
क्या मांग करेंगे कुंभ में सर? जिस तरह से भीड़ बढ़ रही है,
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है? फालतू है कुंभ। चलो
फालतू है कुंभ। Now tell me.
Yes, he's responding to the question.
कि mismanagement को criticize कर रहे हैं.
No, he's responding to the question that किस तरीके से भीड़ बढ़ रही है. He's responding to the query that the crowd is increasing. Therefore, where is the management? Crowd management. That is the question. Faltu crowd management is by the Uttar Pradesh government. Okay. That is where
Charu Pragya wants to respond to you. The last 1 minute I have on this part of the show. Charu Pragya, quickly respond.
Let's understand that the crowd management this time has been exceptional. Yes, I understand that the losses that we have incurred, there's nothing we can do about it, and I cannot express enough remorse about it. But 50 crore people, never in the world, in any part of the world, ever before this number of people have ever come together peacefully. Let's stress on that first. Let's also understand that all these people have managed to come and go with many special trains being deployed, with so many police personnel. 6 lakh personnel are working around the clock with CCTV coverage, making sure that everybody has food to eat and a place to sleep. This has never happened before, Tausif. And I'm going to say this one more time. If you had a problem with Bharatiya Janata Party, Lalu ji would have said, party faltu hai, sarkar faltu hai. Yet, all of you have chosen to say, Kumbh faltu hai. All of you have chosen to call the Kumbh names, the Mahakumbh names. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav doesn't even understand the difference between a Mahakumbh and a Kumbh. That is how ill-informed you are, and that is how focused you are on only serving your select minority.
Politics on this is only going to escalate in the days and weeks ahead. We'll be tracking that story closely. To all my guests, many thanks for joining me. But I want to leave our viewers who are watching this on a much happier note, because when you talk of the Mahakumbh, this is where crores and crores of Sanatan Dharma followers have come together, and irrespective of what the situation may be, it's the devotion that makes them take a dip in that holy water, that Trivedi Sangam of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Scientists may say what they will about the water and the quality. I've taken a dip on Mauni Amavasya, on Basant Panchami and at Trivedi Sangam, and as have 50 crore Bharatvasis. But I want to leave you with images of the Aarti, the Ganga Aarti at the Trivedi Sangam at Prayagraj, an Aarti that's being performed by women. I leave you with these images of the Ganga Aarti.